Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we are solving part number 7 of question number 3, exercise 1.1, that is minus x square plus 15 over 2 is equal to 7 over 2x. You can see it is not in the standard form. First of all, we write it in the standard form. In standard form, there is 0 on the right side of equal, so we put 7 over 2x on the left side. So minus x square minus 7 over 2x plus 15 over 2 is equal to 0. You know that in next step we make the coefficient of x square 1, but here you can see it is minus 1. To make it plus 1, we divide it or multiply it by minus 1. So I divide here by minus 1 in next step. You can also multiply it or take minus 1 common. Now here I get plus x square, here I get plus 7 over 2x, here I get minus 15 over 2 is equal to 0. Third step is we move constant term on the right side. So here we get x square plus 7 over 2x is equal to plus 15 over 2. In next step we take coefficient of x, that is equal to 7 over 2, and we multiply it by 1 over 2 or divide it by 1 by 2. Now here we get 7 over 4. In fourth step we take square of this term and add it on the both sides. So adding 7 over 4 whole square on both sides. So we get x square plus 7 over 2x plus 7 over 4 whole square is equal to 15 over 2 plus 7 over 4 whole square. Now this is becoming the formula of complete square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This term can be written as in the form of 2ab. You can write it easily here, and this formula is equal to a plus b whole square. So it is equal to x plus 7 over 4 whole square, that is equal to 15 over 2 plus 7 square is equal to 49 and 4 square is equal to 16, and now we take LCM. Here we get 16 divided by 2 we get 8 multiplied by 15 is equal to 120, plus here we get 49 and this is equal to 169 over 16. Now it become x plus 7 over 4 whole square, that is equal to 169 over 16. But we have to find x here, it raised to power 2. So to find the value of x we take square root on both sides. Here we get plus minus, square root cancel, and we get x plus 7 by 4, that is equal to plus minus, here we get 13 over 4. Now we move 7 over 4 on the right side to find the value of x. X is equal to plus minus 13 over 4 plus 7 over 4 become minus 7 over 4. Here we get two values of x. One is plus 13 over 7 and one is minus 13 over 7 minus 7 over 4. Here we get x is equal to 13 plus 13 over 7 minus 7 over 4, and here we get x is equal to minus 13 over 7 minus 7 over 4. When you solve it for the values of x, we get a solution set, that is, here we get x is equal to 3 by 2, and here we get x is equal to -5, and the solution set will be 3 by 2 and -5. Try it yourself and you can easily find the value of x, and this is the part number 7 of question number 3. Assalamu alaikum. Now we are solving part number 10 of question number 3, that is 7 into x plus 2a whole square plus 3a square is equal to 5a into 7x plus 23a. You can see it is not in the standard form. First of all, we solve it for the standard form. So first of all, we open the square. We get x square plus 4a square plus 4ax. I apply the formula of a plus b whole square here, and I get x square plus 4a square plus 4ax plus 3a square is equal to 5. I multiply 5a with 7x plus 23a. Here I get 35ax, and when I multiply 5a with 23a, I get 115a square. So here I write 115a square. As you know, in standard form of quadratic equation there is 0 on the right side, so we put all those two terms on the left side. First of all, I multiply 7 with x square and 4a square and 4ax. Here I get 7x square plus 28a square plus 28ax plus 3a square, and here 35ax minus 115a square is equal to 0. Now I add up or subtract like terms, that are, you can see 7x square is single time, so I write here 7x square, and then I write x term, that is 28ax and minus 35ax. When we add up or subtract, then we get minus 7ax. I solve these two terms as, first of all we write x square term, then we write x term, and in the last we write constant term, that is 28a square, 3a square and minus 115a square. When we add up 28 and 3, we get 31, and when we subtract 31 from 115, we get minus 84a square. Minus 84a square is equal to 0. You know that first step to solve it by completing square, the first step is we make the coefficient of x square 1. So to make the coefficient of x square 1, I divide the whole equation by 7. Here I get x square minus ax minus, here I get 12a square is equal to 0. And next step is we put constant term on the right side of equal. So here we get x square minus ax is equal to 12a square. In next step we divide the coefficient of x by 2. So here 1 over 2 into coefficient of x is minus a, so I write here 1 over 2 into minus a, and here I get minus a over 2. In next step we take the square of this term and add it on the both side of equal. So here I get x square minus ax plus minus a over 2 whole square is equal to 12a square plus minus a over 2 whole square. Now here it is the complete square of x, it is complete square of minus a over 2, and here we write minus 2. A is x. This minus is written first, we write first, okay, and here we get a over 2 plus this minus I write first. Now 2 cancel out 2 and remaining will be minus ax, and this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and when we write a square minus 2ab plus b square in a complete form, here we get a minus b whole square. So it can be written as a complete square in the form of x minus a over 2 whole square is equal to 12a square, and here we get plus, when we take square of minus a over 2 we get a square over 4. Now x minus a over 2 whole square, that is equal to, we take LCM of 12a square plus a square over 4. When we take LCM we get 4 here, and 12 multiplied by 4 we get 48 a square plus a square, that is equal to 49 a square over 4. But we have to find x minus a over 2. To find x we take square root on the both side of equal. When we take square of both sides of equal, here we write plus minus, and here we take square root, square cancel out square root, and that is equal to x minus a over 2 is equal to plus minus here 7a over 2. Now x is equal to plus minus 7a over 2 minus a over 2 become plus a over 2 on the other side of equal. Now we take LCM, that is 2. Here we get plus minus 7a plus a. Okay, now we write it first time plus and one time minus. Here we get 8a over 2, that is equal to 4a, and here we get minus 6a over 2, that is equal to, x is equal to minus 3a. Now we write its solution set. That will be equal to 4a and minus 3a, and this is the solution set. Now our exercise 1.1 complete. In next lecture we solve exercise 1.2, in which we use quadratic formula, and in next lecture we discuss what is quadratic formula. Thank you.